This topic about data and telecommunications. Introducing the concepts, data communication, and concepts of data communication, data flow, simple, half duplex, full duplex, in signals, along and digital signals, transmission medias, and networking devices. These are related to data and telecommunications. What is data communication? Exchange of data between two devices via from translating media with wireless wire cable is called data communication. For a data communication to occurs the communications for a data devices such as system, media, and hardware and software is used to communicate the data with the systems and within the delivery time or accessories and time length. The concepts of data communication is sender, receiver, message, transmission medium, and protocol. This is the sender to receiver. Rule 1, Rule 2, and Rule N. There are two protocols, sender protocol and receiver protocols. They are the five types of components of data communications: message, sender, receiver, and transmitter medium and protocol. These are useful to the data communications. This is the transmission mode, mainframe, monitor. This is the simplex in data flow. Half duplex means workstations to workstation. It can send to the first to first, and second also you can send to the first. In full duplex, only full duplex means we can transfer the all data at a time. Data flow. Data flow occurs in three ways: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Simplex. In simplex mode, communication is indirectly only. Only one device can be linked with monitor or keyboard. Half duplex means the mode which are both transmit device to receiver, sending the data vice versa. Full duplex means it can receive and transmit one common one common telephone network to two people at a time in a one line. It's called as a full duplex. There are two types of transfer data: along data and digital signals and along signals. Along signals means signals can continuously passing or includes an infinite number of values along the path. The curves are representing as an along signals passing through the infinity points. This is the diagram. How the curves are passing, we can see here. Digital signals. Digital signals can be a limit number of values. Almost two values is are 1 to 0. You can see the diagram. It can value 1 to 0. F of t and t. What is transmitting media? Media that can which data can be transformed from one transform communication medium to there are two types of categories: transform media and computer communication. Electromagnetic radius can be transmitted through the optical media, such as optical fiber has a twice fiber coaxial cables, which are used in transverse media. Types of transverse media, they are the two types of transverse media: guided media and unguided media. Guided media have coaxial cable and twice pair cable and fiber optical cables, which are used in guided media. It has usual copper wire bonding jacket materials are used in guided media. Toxic cable is very commonly wide length of media, like example like TV wires, and used in two conductors parallel to each other. And usually copper wires are either solidly or standard medium. We can see the we can see the diagram copper wire, and outside of the layer of the copper wire, the fiber optical wires. Fiber optical wire can like used as electrical signals to transmit the data, which use light. It in a fiber optical cable moves the direction from two common places. Second connection must be made by two devices, which is actually two strands of cable. Example as direct communication, laser devices and light through cable. It's translate to 1 to 0 in each other. See the diagram. This is the core. This is the cabling and buffer jacket and optical fiber. And this is the most popular network cable. This is the most popular network cable used in twice, like mapping like GPS and AWS used in the speed of 100. Unshielded twist paper. UTP means unshielded twist pair, and STP means the shielded twist pair. See, UTP means unshielded twist. It is connected to either voice grade or data grade, depends upon the condition of UTP cable. Implementing of 100 ohms. UTP cost is less than STP and easy to available due to its file level data cabling. This is outer jacket and this is a rip code. Shield twist STP. It is similar to used in UTP, but it has a mesh shielding that promoting the EMIs which allow the higher transmitting rate. See, this is the STP diagram. You can see the jacket here and the shield, and this is the conductor of the copper. Unguided media, there are three types of unguided media: radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves. Devices used in network, mainly used in network: modem, hub, switches, and routers. These are the four types are used in network. Modem. This is the modem, internet to modem, modem to router, router to the phones or laptops, and anything we can access the easy to the internet like Wi-Fi's. The modem is a device which along carriers signals to encourage the digital information or signals decodes the information. The goals of the product of the signals transmitted in two types: internal mode and external mode. They are the two types. Hub, a common connection of a point of a devices in a network. A hub contains multi ports. When a jacket arrives at one point, it is copied to the all other ports so that all segments of the LAN can be seen in all packets. We can see in one hub, we can all can switches. All network switches is a small hardware devices that can join in a multiple computers together within a one local area. It's in LAN. Network switches appears nearly identified as the network hubs by the switches generating to the hubs while unlinked pairs with the cable data they are receiving to one to one devices. It can transfer the data Router. Computer network creates an overlaying internet work at a connection of a two or more data lines of different networks. When a data packets are same in one line, the router reads the address information and packets to determine its ultimate decision. Then the using information, its routing table is directly packed into one next network of its journey. See, this is the router of this is the cable modern. This is the wireless client, and this is the wired client, and this is wireless client. Thank you.